armó, guys. Ya se armó. We just got a new Lightning, well, new to us. Got in contact with my boy John Slice. He had this Lightning up for grabs. He's got a little test drive done on it, and it drives good, guys. This thing has a lot of mods done to it. I'm gonna have John explain to us what exactly got done to it, because he knows a little bit more. This truck, pretty much, it's been done, all the way around. From new LED lights to port and polish blower to icebox. Drag radio setups on there. Got the front ones too, so the front ones are actually in the back of the Denali right now. We already have them loaded up. We have two sets of wheels. We got the drag pack setup on this one, and we got the street look setup on it too. Kind of what caught my attention is these big ass wheels and just the stands. This thing reminds me of fucking the other Lightning we had, bro. G3. Yeah, if you guys did not see that one, to miss on that one, I'll put a picture up here. It's exactly the same thing. That one's an 01. This is an 02. Same color though. That truck was A1. Ever since we gave it away, we wanted another one. So here it is. We're gonna show you guys what all it has, and I won't wait for John so you can tell us todo el pedo. Él sabe más de esta troca que yo. Just good too. Just really good.
Faster
oh
than
yeah, bro. Fuck yeah. This thing is putting down his dyno at 450. So now we got a little competition with the 450 sleeper. Once we fix the transmission, because that transmission's down right now. You guys didn't check out that video, put it up here for you guys to check it out. But yeah, we did a little pull from the lightweight. Yeah, I stalled it a little bit. No me se fue. No, my long way. Just fucking, it pulled good. So it looks good with this setup, but I wanna put the race car, the runner in the front to give it that other look.
So drag look.
That completely dragged look. Yeah. So yeah, so those are 18s I think.
Stock 18s.
Stock 18s on some Nitto tires. 275/40 18s on Nittos. It's got the same tire size and wheel size for the back for the whole street look, but then we got the drag look, and these are, I think these are 15s. So 15-inch wheels on a 295 65 15 on some Mickey Thompsons, and I'm gonna show you the front wheels real quick.
The skinnies.
Yeah.
Fucking bike looking tire.
Bro, these are fucking. So these are by 7s. I think John told me those are by 10s. So these are by 7s, a 28 by 6 rim 17. But yeah, same style wheel. So we're gonna have the drag pack set up on this one. Ponéselos. These are light too, right?
They are like 20 pounds.
Yeah. Damn it. That looks badass, man. Una moroleada, una lavada, pero
yeah,
it looks pretty damn good. Yeah, so that'll be the drag setup right there. 17s, 15s, or the 18s all the way around. We loaded them up, right?
Yeah, they're atrás.
Yeah, they're in the back, guys. They're back there. Same size tires, the Nittos también. This truck's gonna have the two different looks. The street look and the drag pack setup. This thing is nice. Got the carbon fiber plastics también. Alrededor, all the way around. Got the smoke tail light. Cool thing about this truck, guys, it also went to Modular Motorsports. Shout out to Alex from Modular Motorsports. He's the one that put the performance parts on this truck. Oh, he's got the code for this thing too.
Yeah.
I don't know. Ours didn't have that.
Ours didn't have that.
No, I didn't have it. So this is pretty cool. Interior también está clean, guys. The interior got the sparkle steering wheel. This thing comes on. I don't know how this comes on.
This is like a little, yeah, for the back.
Mira. Was that Robin way? He says he has a factory one too.
Oh, bro?
Yeah. I don't know. It feels a little weird driving this because I haven't driven one with this thing, but
So no horn?
No, it does have a horn.
Oh, it does?
It does, yeah.
Oh, dope.
It has a horn.
What about that?
Yeah, that's one.
But no airbag.
Huh?
Pero
Oh,
no
no
airbag.
airbag, yeah. It has no airbag. Y también trae sonidito, güey.
Oh, you got a sound
Yeah,
system?
it got a sound system. I think it's on the other side. I think he said it's a 10-inch. So
It's 110.
110. It's got all new door speakers. But the very, very cool thing about this is the engine setup. Did I open it? Yeah, dude. Mira nomás. Low port and polished. All upgraded pulleys, ice box. Hey, we didn't have no ice on this?
No, I don't have. You want to put some ice in there? I ran it with some ice in there a few times, and you can tell that little 20 horsepower drum. It'll probably last maybe 15, a few pulls. You know what I mean? 15 minutes, depending on how hot it is.
So I'm telling everyone, we just got we got our hands on this truck.
Yes, sir.
This thing was, John got it, what, a couple years ago?
Yeah, about 2 years ago.
Okay. He put his style to this truck. You know, he did the drag setup. I don't know if it was already lower when you got it.
Yeah, it was lower when I got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mainly, you did performance on it.
Performance, a whole bunch of cosmetics, but you want me to run through?
Yeah.
Start off with we got some Raptor cooling fans here. We pulled out the factory stuff. Got the JC custom pulley bridge. We changed the pulley upper and lower on this thing. The blower's been ported and polished, and of course the exterior has been polished itself. New throttle body on here. You mentioned the ice box. We got headers on here. We got some long tube headers.
Full exhaust on it.
Yeah, full exhaust, MagnaFlow, dual Walbro pumps. It's E85 converted, so we put some 80-pound injectors in there as well. We got some catch cans. Of course, it's been tuned by Alex. Shout out to Alex at Modular Motorsports.
pushing
So,
450?
yeah, we're about 450, 460 to the wheels. So. It's a fun truck. It's reliable. Air conditioner works, heater works. Got a pretty good system in there. Of course, cosmetics, new lights, new grill, upper and lower, factory Ford grills.
You painted these too?
Yeah, those have been painted. Alamo Customs painted these. These match the bed caps, the street scene bed caps
that's
on
what
there.
you're telling me on the back.
So that way the colors kind of tie in. I'm a little OCD with everything. Of course, Chucky Garza paint corrected this thing. Shout out to him. And as far as cosmetics, like I was saying, has the street scene bed caps, which are really rare. Of course, they don't even make these no more. So of course, I have the bed caps and all the plastics with real carbon fiber on there. I had a company named Candy Carbon. They what I did is I got factory plastics, brand new. I sent it to them and they overlay the carbon. It's not full carbon because obviously this is a 4,000-pound truck. It's not going to make too much of a difference. This is more for visuals, just because I like to look at carbon fiber. I mean,
yeah, and it sets it off. It looks nice.
Yeah, it's just real clean look on there. Of course, we got the Mickey Thompsons with the race stars. We got some traction bars on here, some Stiflers. Yeah, Stiflers traction bars on there.
No wonder when I hit it at that light, he just went straight.
It don't twist, bro. It goes.
I said I'm gonna do a little pull. He's like, go for it. Light turned green. That thing just went.
There he goes.
Straight.
Yeah, and it's a blast to drive.
First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put the runners in the front. Go for a little spin.
Yes, sir.
You know, and from there, just see what else we got in plan. So let's do the paperwork and get you paid, or we're good with no pay, or
Oh shit! It's on the house.
Payments.
on the house shit. But hell yeah, guys. Let me know what y'all guys think about the new Lightning. What should we do to this thing first? ¿Qué onda, güey? You know who the fuck is this? What's up?
What's up, man?
What you think?
Good, nice. ¿Está lista para la Kidogi o qué?
¿Lista? For a little versus one-on-one. ¿No está aquí Jonathan o qué? Oh. ¿Ya quedó qué o qué? No? We're about to fuck it up right now?
Yeah.
What's up?
You ready for a rematch?
Rematch.
Sure.
What you think?
That's nice, man.
I have to do a little rematch?
Come on. It'll be the first time we do that, Dre.
Ah, cálmate, güey. Sheesh.
I like it. All that carbon fiber.
Yeah. No, chécale abajo del hood, güey. Little shine.
That's nice, bro.
That was fucking good, too.
I could tell you floored a little bit.
Yeah, se agarró bien. I was like, should I? I don't know if you can see me or not. ¿Sí me viste, güey?
Yeah.
Por el
you
windshield?
can't really.
No? You're gonna come out saying, who the is this?
Nah, I mean, who else?
¿Ya quedó qué o qué?
Ya
Ya.
está. No, pues estamos esperando.
For what?
Tu vlog.
Oh, ya. Se lo quitamos. ¿Slicken? No me aguanta nada el pedo, ¿qué?
¿Qué te duraba?
No me dura nada,
Te
güey.
dura más un poco.
Cállate, güey. ¿Cómo sabes? I think it has a valve down there. He told me it has a valve to drain it and shit. So it's currently the next day. Yesterday, we got this thing picked up. I can't get enough of this tire right here. This thing looks badass. It's really clean. Here too. It's a nice wash too. Al rato vamos a hacer un pinche little versus. Esta contra esta. A ver qué gana. Yeah, this one we still gotta do the adjustments. Relocate the shock in the back, and we're gonna have to notch something on down there porque do some fabrication because it hits the drive shaft hits on the frame. Let's see right now if we're gonna pull it in. A ver qué onda con esta. This thing looks nice too. Looks nice. Can't go wrong with the 20s. 20s, 275, 40, 20. I think it's like on a 4.6 drop. You doing that notch for this truck?
Yeah.
Yeah? Because of 4.6 or what?
No, 5.7, 5.8.
5.7,
They
5.8?
already came drop.
Oh, see?
Yeah.
Just doing the notch?
Just doing the notch.
Underbid?
Underbid, yeah.
5.7 or 5.8 drop on this one. On the 20, this thing looks good. ¿Qué pedo, güey? Este güey se confió que estaba apagada la lumbre, güey, y le echó. ¿Te asustaste o qué, güey?
Le estoy sacando, güey. Ya van 2 veces que truena la verga.
Pero pues, ¿para qué le eches más gasolina, güey? No miras ahí la
It was off. It was off. I don't think so.
Fuck. ¿Entienden, güey? ¿No entienden? Andan quemando y al lado del Dios ni va a quedar así otra vez.
Gracias, güey. Ahora sí estoy preparado.
Cálmate, güey. Está expired, güey. Te puso que no trae nada.
1993.
No, no más.
1997. ¿Dónde dice? How do you use it?
Alright guys, so we're about to head out. We got the bed off the Coyote. Jonathan's gonna start working on it here in a bit. Like, hay un chingo de jale, so I told him I wasn't in a hurry on the truck. He's gonna keep it here for another couple days. Hopefully get it done, wrapped up for next week. Once he relocates those shocks, it's gonna be riding a lot better. So we're probably gonna wrap up this video. So hopefully the truck is already done, and hopefully we can do some friendly runs with this Coyote, with the Coyote, and this one, the Lightning, or también con la Coyote de Jonathan. We'll do some fun runs with those. It's gonna be fun. So you guys stay tuned for that content. That's gonna be coming up pretty soon. If you have not hit that subscribe, make sure you hit the subscribe. Y make sure you like the video. Drop those comments, guys. Let me know what you guys think on this Lightning. Este pinche pedo, esta pinche troquera. Vamos a ver.